Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to a video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all so you can get the instant notification about our videos, so you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. So it's been a long gap. I posted a video active on Twitter, just held up its personal box, so I will contribute more here on. So coming to the project, the Glacier raised nearly $11 million at the valuation of 100 million, and the key investors are Host Network, KuCoin, and also Gateway was also involved. A lot of other investors like Polka Starter who can expect an IDO in that, and the main one, the Aptos Lab, also involved. So basically, Glacier is a deepin. It is the first data-centric scalable supercharge which use the AI and deepin. It also integrated with the Binance and the storage for Filecoin, Orveco, Celestia, and also the $95 million Babylon chain. So here is the docs. Actually, you can run the node by using this doc alone, because it's not an auto setup. You can find code here also. Just check. You'll be able to run the node. This is the command for running on Docker. You can also run by open a screen and input the private key variables using the Linux CLI. So this is not an hard one, so that's why it doesn't also take up much of a space. As you can see, it only requires at the maximum of 2 core and 4 GB RAM, the 8 Mbps per second. So for our channel, if you haven't joined, kindly hop on, and don't forget to follow me on X, because I mostly post the projects and early calls on X. Recently I also posted the Stocknet brother at an early stage, which is I posted the call within the 30 minutes of the launch. So a lot of people in our Telegram group and my Twitter followers also sniped the token at early stage, which got into over 6,000 percentage profit. So if you invested $10 when I posted the call, you would have got around $600 of profit in your hands. So don't forget to follow on me on X and subscribe to our channel. So coming to the VPS option for this Glacier Verifier node, I would recommend you to buy the VPS 1 option, because the requirement is also less. So VPS 1 or sometimes the VPS 0 also available on Turbo. But if you buy VPS 1, you can run some other small nodes. So just buy the Contabo VPS 1. So let's get into the actual node setup. So for first, just create a wallet. So don't use your the old your airdrop farming wallets or any wallet that has funds, because you need to give the private key in the VPS. Make sure the new wallet for this purpose. But I'm going for this purpose I use the Chasm node. We got airdrop like for per node $300, right? So I just I had the wallet for free, so I'm gonna use that wallet. You can also use it. I'm just using this for the node running purpose. So I have the dedicated wallet for the node running purpose. You can also like that, or just create a new wallet. Never use the old one or which has the fund. So after creating your wallet, go to this website, which is the faucet website, and need to have 0.002 BNB on mainnet. So for this process, you can get the faucet from our main wallet, which have the funds. So use that wallet to get the faucet, and then send the testnet BNB to the node running wallet. So after getting the BNB, so this is the official bridge. Sometimes or not. Mostly it won't work because of the traffic. So I find out about this bridge when I did the testnet task for the OPBNB. So just bridge the funds from BNB testnet to BNB. As you can see, click deposit. Let me see. So try to send over the whole. I must send around 0.43. 0.3 is the gas fee. Good work now. Right. So this is the test net, so no need to worry about the fees. Just make sure you have BNB on your wallet. Check here. Wait for a minute. Will get updated on your OP BNB chain. So after that, you need to get your node private, which means the wallet which you're running the node, right? So if you are using the MetaMask, it won't show the private key with the OX. If you are using Rabi wallet, it will show your wallet private key with the OX. So if you click here, we'll get your wallet private key. Just copy it. For example, let me show. So if you are using a Rabi, it will show like this. So just remove the first letters, which mean the O and X, 0 and X way, and copy the rest of it. Save it somewhere else because we need to paste the private key in our commands. So after getting your funds, just log into your VPS. Alright, I got my funds. So before getting into your VPS, click on this link and make sure you complete and join the testnet task, because this is a point system. So before you moving into the node setup, you can do even after the node setup, just complete this galaxy task, and after deploying your nodes, you will be able to see this. So just complete this galaxy task on your main wallet. Alright, I already claimed it. So just connect your wallet. This is just follow and retweet things. So just claim it. After completing the testnet task, I logged into my VPS. So if you bought a VPS from the Counterbow by the method I showed in my previous videos, it will come with the Docker pre-installed, so you don't need to install, you just need to run this command. So I have to update and upgrade. So if you bought from any other sources, you might need to install the Docker. So copy and run. In this case I already have Docker, so I'm just going to skip that part. So the next step is copy the code, and here replace with your private key that you copied from your MetaMask or Rabi wallet that I just showed. So this port, this is the version of right now. Yesterday it was 0.0.1. Today it got updated. So this thing will update frequently. I'll inform it on my Twitter whenever there is a node update. So make sure you follow me on Twitter and Telegram. So the format will be like this. So just replace your private key like here. So I copy and pasted it. So let me go here. If you're uncomfortable with this process, like you directly pasting on your VPS and editing, just open a notepad and then you can edit it there. So I opened the notepad, copy and paste it, and then go. The private key would look like this, thing like this. Just delete this and then copy the whole thing, just paste it and then press enter. Alright, let me do with my private key. So after running that command, you'll get like this. There is nothing but there is no image before you running that command, so it will pull that image. After pulling, it will create a newer image, that is your Docker runner image. So you will get the image ID. Just going to clear it, and then I'm going to check the Docker. So you need to get this. So the server connected on this IP address and the port value. Make sure these port are available on your VPS. So this process will take at least 20 to 30 minutes. So kindly check after 30 minutes. You'll be able to see that your node is active and connected, and go to this website and connect to your node running wallet. And after connecting, click on your wallet address. So after 30 minutes, you will be able to number of tasks verified, endings, and your eligible points also. Just wait for at least 30 minutes and then check it. I will show you I got the verification status. So it's been 2 days. Let me check logs. Okay, my node got active and server also connected. So events are receiving. and the verification is running. So you need to get like this. It's been 2 days. Sorry, it's been 3 days today, but my node got active on yesterday. So it got 2 days to mint the team to mint the license NFT. Show you, go to testnet.opbnbscan.com, then paste your running wallet address. Running wallet address. So as you can see, there is one NFT, which is the Glacier license NFT. So when it got minted, go to 721. So exactly 23 hours before. Then you can go to, the link here, Glacier testnet node status. So when you visit there, connect your wallet. Wallet is already connected, and click on your wallet address. See, my node has been in the active status, and I haven't received any verification. So I turned off yesterday, and I turned on today for the video purpose. So let me run it for again, and it will catch up the verifications. And you can able to see the verification count here. It's like this of the wallet. The verification is 42 for this. So your count also increase like this. So the maximum to verification will be the maximum rewards of GLS token. Make sure you run long time, the good uptime, so you can catch up a large number of verifications. So that's it for today, guys. If you haven't followed me on X, kindly follow. That's where I post about the node updates. So Glacier node has to be updated frequently, so make sure you follow. I'll post the tweet whenever there is an update, and also I'll post about a lot of stuff. So make sure you follow me and turn on your notifications. So I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe.